How to use SundaeSwap DeX. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use SundaeSwap as a beginner and how you can simply go ahead and swap any coin listed on Cardano. So let's go ahead and check out SundaeSwap. So what you have to do is you will simply go to SundaeSwap.finance and you will land on this platform right here. Sunday is a decentralized trading protocol on Cardano, and you will be able to exchange and trade any coin available on Cardano with SundaeSwap. And there is also a liquidity option where you can actually earn an extra income with SundaeSwap. So I will actually show you how you can do that and how you can use SundaeSwap DeX. So let's start. When you come to the platform right here, this is their official website. So this is a SundaeSwap Finance. Now let's enter the app. You simply have to click right here and it will take you to the basic dashboard that we get. So this is actually exchange.sundaeswap.finance. So if you want to like directly go to this platform, you can simply go with the URL exchange.sundaeswap.finance. So this is what it looks like. I must say that it's actually a really good looking platform, and it's like really fun looking platform when it comes to trading. And in crypto we know different platforms can be really professional, but it's a really nice, as the name suggests, it's kind of like a very sweet looking website. So that being said, you can see right here, this is actually our website that we're getting. So in here we have home. Then we have the swap option right here where I will be able to select any tokens and I will be able to swap between them. Then we have liquidity option. In here, I will be able to earn an extra with my SundaeSwap. And then we have Q, of course. So let's go back to home. And the first thing that you need to do is connect your wallet. So I'm going to click on this option right here. You can see we have connect wallet option. Then we have this option right here, which is kind of like a quick menu for us. And then we have a translation option, and then we also have a mode option as well. So we can actually go with a dark mode. It's actually pretty good. So I'm going to actually go with a dark mode. There you go. Now we have the option of connect wallet. So I'm going to click on connect. So I can connect any type of my wallet. So you can connect your Cardano wallet, keep in mind. And what you have to do is whatever wallet you have, you can connect your Finch. You have Card wallet, we have Nami, if any wallet. So whatever wallet you have, you will simply click right here and then you will select your Cardano wallet right here. So let's say that you do not have any Cardano wallet, because most of the people will have an Ethereum wallet. So getting a wallet is really easy. Let's go with this one, Nami. I will simply click right here and it will take me that Nami is available on Chrome, Brave and Edge. So I'm going to select Chrome and it will take me to the Chrome extension. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and add this to my Chrome. There you go. It literally takes 1 minute to get a wallet, and you can get your own Cardano wallet right now, because when you will be swapping in Sunday and we need to. So I'm actually showing you as a complete beginner how to get a Cardano wallet as well. So now we are adding this extension and it will be added in just few minutes. And there you go. Now we have our own extension. I'm gonna actually pin this. Okay, there you go. Now let's go back to the platform again. Click on Nami, and this time we have our own Nami. So once you add your extension right here, you can see we just need to sign up. I'm gonna click on new wallet and then I'm gonna agree and click on continue. Now all I have to do is simply go ahead and now I just have to enter my account name, password and confirm password, and I will get my own Cardano wallet. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly add this information and create a wallet. So now we have our own Cardano wallet. All you have to do is simply click on connect. I agree. And now when I click right here, it will simply connect my Nami wallet. There you go, give access, and it will be connected to this platform right here. Now it's done. Let's get started with our platform. So this was like the first step, and as a complete beginner you will have an idea how to get a wallet. So this is our home, and on home I will be able to check all of these different coins available on Cardano. We have all of them, so I can actually go ahead and trade in any of these using my Sunday DeX. So if you want to go for more, you can simply go ahead and swap and provide liquidity for it as well. Let's go ahead and check any of these. Let's go with this one and open it up. So when you click on more, you get all of the information right here. So one ADA right now is like 5.159 Sunday, and then this is like the exchange rate. And if I want to swap between different tokens, I will simply go to swap right here, and I will simply select right here one of the option. Let's go with Cardano, and then we can type in, let's go with any other. Let's say I want to go with this one right here. So if I enter the amount now, let's go with maybe 700. So you can see right here, this is going to be $658. And this is what I will be getting in Sundays right here. And the price impact is actually 0.01%. So this is what it looks like. Trading is super easy, swapping between different tokens. And you simply select a token from here. And then after that, you can simply select token in which you want to convert. So all of the tokens are available, and of course you will simply add different funds to your wallet, your Cardano wallet, and then you will be able to swap between different coins on right here on this platform. Then we have liquidity option available, so I can go ahead and provide liquidity if I want to. Now, as a complete beginner, you might be getting a little confused that what are tokens and what is Cardano. So let me actually give you a quick overview of what's happening. So the first thing is Cardano is actually a blockchain just like Ethereum and others, for example Solana. So there is Cardano as well, and then there are different tokens available on Cardano, and we can actually trade them with the DEX. SundaeSwap is a DEX on which I can simply go ahead and trade different coins. Then when it comes to swapping, I can swap between different tokens. For example, in my wallet, I have Cardano and I want to swap it to another token. So I can just go ahead and do that from this option right here. So this is how simply it works. And when it comes to getting coins and buying coins and trading in the coins, well, it totally depends on you. This video is not a financial advice. I'm just showing you around the platform. So keep that in mind. If you want to get more information about any of the coins, you can simply click right here and you will be able to check their price, total locked X-ray. Then we have their volume of 24 hour. If you want to provide liquidity, you simply click right here and then you get the information right here. You simply deposit amount and then you simply convert it, and then you select the liquidity provider fee, which is, there are three types of fees. Like the first one is going to be 0.05%, the second one is 0.3%, and then we have 1% fee. So this is like the liquidity option available. Then we have order option. In orders, you have on-chain orders where you can order your coins that you are going to trade in. So you can simply order them from here. You can check out the list given right here on home. Once you have selected that what coin you want to go for, after that the process is really easy. The platform is actually a pretty good platform with a lot of different tools that we can use. Very easy platform, not that complicated, and very beginners friendly. Getting a wallet is also really easy. You can simply select right here, and if you want to disconnect your wallet, you can simply go ahead and do that at any time. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use SundaeSwap. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.